Good morning. Welcome to Skyview Airlines. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need to book a flight, but this is my first time traveling by plane. I'm not sure how everything works.
Don't worry. I'm here to help. Let's start with your destination. Where would you like to go?
I'm going to Los Angeles.
Great. Do you want a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
What's the difference?
A one-way ticket is for going to your destination without a return flight. A round-trip ticket includes both your flight to Los Angeles and your return flight back here.
Oh, I need a round-trip ticket. I'll be coming back in a week.
Got it. Let me check the flights for you. What day would you like to leave?
I'd like to leave this Friday.
Perfect. Do you prefer a morning, afternoon, or evening flight?
Morning, please. I like to travel early.
Okay, we have a flight at 8 a.m. It arrives in Los Angeles at 10:30 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Now, for your return flight, you said you'll be back in a week. Do you want to fly back next Friday?
Yes, next Friday is fine.
We have an afternoon flight at 2 p.m. It lands here at 4:30 p.m.
That sounds good.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about seating. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
What's an aisle seat?
The aisle seat is next to the walkway in the middle of the plane. The window seat is next to the window, so you can look outside.
I'll take a window seat. I want to see the view.
Excellent choice. Now, do you have any luggage to check in?
I don't understand. What's check-in?
Good question. To check in luggage means to give your suitcase to the airline. They'll put it in the cargo area of the plane. You'll pick it up when you arrive.
Oh, yes. I'll have one big suitcase.
Perfect. You're allowed one free checked bag. For carry-on luggage, you can bring a small bag with you on the plane.
Carry-on? What does that mean?
A carry-on bag is small enough to fit in the overhead bin or under your seat. It stays with you during the flight.
Got it. I'll have one carry-on bag, too.
Great. Let me confirm your booking. You're flying to Los Angeles this Friday at 8 a.m., returning next Friday at 2 p.m. You have one checked bag and one carry-on bag. Your seat is by the window.
That's correct.
Okay, your total is $300. How would you like to pay?
I'll use my credit card.
Perfect. Please insert your card here. All set. Here is your ticket. You'll need this and your ID to check in at the counter or the self-service kiosk on the day of your flight.
What's a kiosk?
A kiosk is a small machine where you can print your boarding pass. It's very easy to use.
Oh, I see. Thank you for explaining everything.
My pleasure. Have a great trip, and if you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need to schedule an appointment with the doctor.
Of course. Can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Anna Smith.
Thank you, Anna. Are you a new patient, or have you been here before?
I've been here before.
Great. What seems to be the problem today?
I've been feeling sick for a few days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms?
Yes. I've been coughing a lot, I have a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
Yes, I had a fever last night.
It sounds like you might have the flu or a cold. Do you have any chest pain or difficulty breathing?
No chest pain, and I can breathe fine.
That's good. Let's review some words to describe your symptoms, just to be sure. You said you have a cough. That's when you make a sound from your throat, like cough, cough.
Yes, I've been coughing a lot.
And you mentioned a sore throat. That's when your throat feels painful or scratchy, right?
Exactly. It hurts when I swallow.
Got it. And a fever is when your body temperature is higher than normal. Do you know if you've had chills or felt very hot?
Yes, I had chills last night, but then I started sweating.
That's common with a fever. And you said you feel tired. Another word for that is fatigued. It means you don't have much energy.
Yes, I feel like I could sleep all day.
Thank you for explaining. Let's schedule your appointment now. The doctor is available tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. Which time works best for you?
10 a.m. works for me.
Perfect. I'll book that for you. When you arrive tomorrow, please go to the reception desk to check in.
Reception desk. Got it.
Wonderful. By the way, do you know what a checkup is?
Not really.
A checkup is when you see the doctor for a general health exam, even if you're not sick. It's just to make sure everything is okay.
Oh, I see. That's good to know. What about vitals?
Good question. Vitals are basic health measurements, like your temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate. We'll check those before you see the doctor.
Oh, I've had that done before. They use a small machine to check your blood pressure, right?
Exactly. It's a quick and easy process.
That's good to know. Thank you for explaining.
My pleasure. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, what's the difference between a clinic and a hospital?
Good question. A clinic is usually smaller and for less serious health issues, like colds, checkups, or minor injuries. A hospital is much bigger and handles emergencies, surgeries, and serious illnesses.
That makes sense. I'm glad I came to the clinic today.
We're happy to help. Don't worry, just follow the doctor's advice, and you'll feel better soon.
Thank you, Anna. You've been very kind.
You're welcome, Mama. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This place is so busy today. I'm glad we found a table.
Me too. Fast food restaurants are always crowded during lunch. But I love the food here. What did you order?
I got a cheeseburger, fries, and a soda. What about you?
I ordered a chicken sandwich, onion rings, and lemonade. Have you ever tried their onion rings?
No, I haven't. What are onion rings?
They're slices of onion that are dipped in batter and then fried. They're crispy and delicious. Do you want to try one?
Sure. Takes a bite of an onion ring. This is so good. I didn't know fried onion could taste like this.
It's one of my favorite sides. Speaking of food, do you know what a side means in a restaurant?
Isn't it like the extra food you get with your main meal?
Exactly. Fries, onion rings, and coleslaw are all sides. They're served with your main dish, like your burger or my sandwich.
Got it. I always get fries as my side. They're my favorite.
Same here. Oh, by the way, do you know the difference between a soda and a milkshake?
A soda is a fizzy drink like cola or lemonade. A milkshake is made with milk and ice cream, right?
That's right. Milkshakes are thicker and sweeter. I almost got one today, but lemonade sounded refreshing.
I love milkshakes, especially chocolate ones. Maybe I'll get one for dessert.
That's a great idea. Speaking of dessert, did you know this place has soft serve ice cream?
What's soft serve?
It's a type of ice cream that's really smooth and creamy. They serve it in cones or cups.
Oh, I've seen that before. It looks so soft and fluffy. Maybe I'll try it next time.
You should. It's perfect on a hot day. By the way, have you noticed how fast food restaurants always have a drive-thru?
Yes, but I've never used one. How does it work?
It's simple. You stay in your car, order your food at a speaker, pay at the window, and then pick up your food at another window.
That's so convenient. I should try it sometime. It's great for when you're in a hurry.
Exactly. That's why they call it fast food. It's quick and easy to get.
True. But sometimes I wonder if eating too much fast food is bad for you.
It can be if you eat it all the time. Fast food has a lot of salt, sugar, and fat. But it's okay to enjoy it once in a while.
That makes sense. Everything in moderation, right?
Right. And if you want to make it a little healthier, you can choose options like a salad or grilled chicken instead of fried.
That's a good tip. Next time I'll try the grilled chicken sandwich.
It's really good. Oh, and don't forget to check the menu for combos. Do you know what a combo is?
Yes, it's when you get a main dish, a side, and a drink together, right?
Exactly. It's usually cheaper than ordering everything separately.
That's why I always get a combo. It's a good deal.
Same here. Fast food places are good at making things simple and affordable.
And tasty. Speaking of tasty, I'm going to finish my burger before it gets cold.
Good idea. Let's eat before we keep talking.